Welcome to another flip video lesson with Mr. Volkman. Today's flip video lesson will go over chapter 4.2, and we're briefly going to talk about problems that people in Mesopotamia faced in the early goings of civilization in this area of the world. Don't forget that this is an educational video, so if there's anything you don't quite understand, feel free to pause the video and rewind it. Let's begin, shall we? That tells me it's time to begin. First off, a little background about Mesopotamia if you're not sure what it was like. First off, the word Mesopotamia means land between the rivers. And that's exactly what the main area of Mesopotamia was. You had two main rivers right here, and it was the land between them. However, we are also going to talk a little bit about the land north of Mesopotamia. In that area, it was hilly and they had rain. It was, kind of good for farming. However, the southern part, which was in between the two rivers, was flat and very hot. Not quite as good with farming. Now, Mesopotamia is part of the area we like to call the Fertile Crescent, Farmer Central. It's fertile, meaning you can grow things really good, hence the Farmer Central comment I put right here. Now, there are four problems that people in Mesopotamia faced. I'm just going to briefly highlight these problems. In the next flip video, we'll talk a little bit more about these problems and the solutions to them. The first problem was there were food shortages in the northern hill country. Now, you may be wondering, why is that a problem? Well, we'll find out. But just know that there were problems with getting food in this northern hill country, and lots of people were living there at the time. That's a problem. The next problem was a lack of water. You could go from looking like this at some point during the season in Mesopotamia, specifically the flood season, to looking like this, dry and hot, which isn't very nice. Especially if you're a farmer, which that's what people did during that time. The third problem is, how do we build and then repair our inventions or our creations that brought water to our farms? It's great to have these great, inventions that bring us water, but then they break. And we have no water. That's a problem. Finally, attacks by neighbors. I'm gonna get you! I'm gonna get them too! Wait for me, I wanna get them! Hey guys, I gotta get them too! That's also a problem. Well, thanks for watching this shortened flip video. Again, I was just introducing the problems that people in the early part of civilization in Mesopotamia would have faced. We'll talk more about these problems and the solutions that Mesopotamians found in the next flip video. Thank you, and I'll see you in class. Don't forget, guys, to check Emoto for the assessment that you should take after watching this film.